Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. We are going to talk about this 4-pack Hallmaster 1x15 foot ratchet tie down. It's rated for 400 pounds. And this is Hallmaster, which is Harbor Freight's line. Many different products in that line: hitches, straps, tie downs, trailers, all sorts of things. This is part of that line. This is the smallest, cheapest set to have. And of course, when you go up the bigger, wider strap, the more strength in the handle. This is 400 pounds. You go to 1.5 inches. You're looking at 1,000 pounds. The wider that strap goes, the more you can do. This is a general set. This is something you're not going to be pulling out stumps with. This is something you want to throw in your truck. Something to use if you're hauling that new U.S. General cabinet home. You'd use this to strap that down and back your pickup to strap down a little better. All right, so we're going to jump over to Harbor Freight website, and it's going to show you it. And this is it here. And the thing about it, you do not want to pay that price, and I'll show you why. If we go over to this is a price tracking website I use. Now, if you look, remember the regular price on that is $12.99. And look at this price versus kilo. And that price goes down often, right? So if you just wait, you'll get it for a cheaper price, right? That's the thing about, Harbor Freight stuff. You just wait, and it's eventually go on sale or coupon. Always, almost everything they store. It's just the hard part is just waiting if you need it right away, right? All right. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna unpackage this, and then we're gonna do a demonstration of it. I'll take one of these straps and I'll go back on my pickup, and I'll actually show you how they work, how you strap them up, because sometimes people have a little bit of difficulty with these. So we're gonna open up, and I got a Quinn scissors here. This is a great scissors, shop scissors that I use for opening a lot of this stuff. All right, this is actually sealed up pretty good. And the only way that it comes open is with the scissors. Of course, you use a utility knife too. It's a little more dangerous, especially if that knife slips. There you go. Yeah, that's usually how I store it in my truck when I pull these things out, right? trying to find the ends of them. All right, so I'm going to take this to the back of my truck. We'll take one of these. We'll demonstrate how these work. Okay, so I got that in one side of my truck. I got that and then one other side of the truck. So now we do. There's a lot of extra slack here. So I'll make sure this is straight, right? Just gonna pull our hand through this to make sure we have it straight. All right. So get a little closer here. Okay, so we're gonna loop that through like that. Now you want to pull this all the way through so you get some tension on it. The ideal is to get ideally you want to get at least 2, 3, 4 is good. So it's kind of like that. Because a lot of times if you get where it's too much, it won't tighten up and it will bind here. Okay. So you got it tight, right? Now the biggest thing, what do you do for all this stuff? Well, sometimes if it's not a lot, I will try and tie it up, because you don't want this flying around the wind if it's exposed. Bunch it up, or if you have a tie or something, something like that. Tie it up, right? Okay, then to just loosen up, gonna go like that. Bring that all the way over, and there. Then it releases. Then you can pull that all the way through. Okay. I can demonstrate that again too if you like. Right, like this. You can get the camera closer. Okay, if you want to pull this, pull it straight. Make sure it's not twisted. That's why we're doing this. Okay. Then we're going to feed it through. Whoop, make sure my camera tripod don't tip over. All right, going to feed it through here. Okay. You're going to pull it all the way. You have a loss of that, of course, because if you don't pull enough, this thing's going to bind. This will bind. You won't be able to crank it down anymore. All right, get it like that. Okay, we're good. You can hold it like this. Like I said, at least 2 turns, 4 revolutions would be nice. And there. Okay. All right. Like I said, if you're looking for this strap, oh, by the way, you're probably wondering what kind of truck this was. It's a Toyota Tundra 1794 edition. This link for that coupon, guys, if you are looking for some straps. All right, thanks for watching.